My name is Johann Guilleminot. I'm an assistant professor in civil engineering here at Duke. My work is mostly focused on computational mechanics and material science. So basically, some of the questions we are trying to address is basically if you have variability in the system you are trying to design, how do we account for these variabilities? It's something we call uncertainties. So how do we develop mathematical models to basically define them? How do we simulate them? And how do we account for them when it comes to evaluate the performance of a system? This has a lot of questions behind this. One of the examples we are currently working on is that basically if you think about tissue engineering, where essentially we are trying to design like soft tissues for vascular vessels or bones, and you are trying to come up with this kind of pieces where this is actually a 3D printed pieces that is supposed to be put inside your body to work as a substitute for a bone. And so basically when you process them, there is a lot of variability in this. So there is variability in this structure, but there is also a lot of variability in the human body, right? Because whether you are a man or women, if you are from a different country, depending on your age, you have a lot of variability. So basically when you get a surgery, we need to make sure that this guy is going to work properly within your body, right? Behind this, we are addressing a few key questions, among them, how do we model them mathematically? How do we ensure that we can simulate them? So how do we run patient-specific simulations so that it's going to be optimized to your body and not to mine? And then how do we get statistics out of it, and how do we evaluate the reliability of this? So Duke IID is really a key place to do that because it kind of foster interaction. So my work is strongly interdisciplinary. So we do mathematical modeling, we do computational science, we do high-performance computing, and we do statistics. So IID is essentially bringing those people in the same place. So this is a true place to get have true interactions on those topics.